Hello, Darren Martin out here from Master Magic Shop. And in this video, I'm going to explain my new offer, which I call the Coin Magic eBooks bundle pack. And in this package, you will get 7 ebooks. You're going to learn amazing coin magic. This is classic coin magic. So inside this package, you're going to learn. It includes the Modern Coin Magic by J.B. Bobo. You learn 116 coin sleights and 236 amazing coin tricks. You'll learn all about coin tricks, palms, holds, flips, switches, changeovers, steals, cuffing, sleeving, and other sleight of hand techniques. The coin tricks requiring special devices are also included with the gaffs. The author guides systematically through basic techniques, concealments, vanishes through integrated tricks to advanced coin magic and complete routine acts, 18 acts in all. His clear explanations are complemented by 510 of Nelson C. Hans crisp illustrations. A little note on that. My relative, Francis B. Martineau, who I met, he's passed away, but he's the illustrator for the Rice's Encyclopedia of Silk Magic and many other things. So I'm working on a new project with that where I'm going to have a bundle of his books. Absolutely awesome. But in this package, back to this package, you're going to get Bobos, which is a classic. You're going to get Stars of Magic, which includes Di Vernon and many others. You're going to learn 40 professional magic routines. This includes the Coin Magic of Jean Hugard ebook, uh, Master Coin Magic by me. That's one of my ebooks here. Master Magic University by myself and Brian Smedley. That's an ebook that's great for beginners. You learn general magic, you learn terminology, you learn how to create magic, you learn how to structure magic, you learn card magic, coin magic, and new close-up magic, and much more. The next book in here is The Art of Magic by T. Nelson Downs. This ebook is a 364 classic. It's 364 pages of this classic magic book. Contains over 20 incredible coin tricks, including the trick which he was most famous for, which was the miser's dream. You also get many other things in here. There's magic with eggs, magic tricks with balls, miscellaneous tricks, including the cigarette paper trick, torn banknote, vanishing knot, and the king of all rope ties, the Jacoby rope tie. You're going to learn about 2/3 of the books has amazing classic card tricks. Everywhere and Nowhere, there's 2 methods. Houdini's torn card trick, the flying cards, two methods. Cards up the sleeve, 2 methods. Card through the handkerchief. The rising cards, there's 6 versions of rising cards, 7 uh, versions of the classic four-ace trick, and many more. Then we have Modern Magic by Professor Hoffman. You're going to learn hundreds of amazing magic tricks in here. There's 18 chapters on general magic and 318 illustrations. So in total, you're going to get 7 books. This is for $29.99. So click on the link and get this today and learn how to be a master coin magician. Thank you very much. Have a magical day.